To know is not enough. What does that mean? Say you know everything about physics. Everything. Huh? Then that's cool, yeah? So you know everything about physics. And I'm like, hey, you know everything about physics. And you just don't say a thing. What do I get out of it? Nothing, honey. But if he knows everything about physics and he goes, hey, you know, I know how to make a car that runs on air. It'll save you a lot of gas. Now you got something. So to knowing things is not enough. Learning the stuff that you do in school is not enough. The important thing is, what do you do with it? You need to do something with it. Make something. Help somebody. Make the world a better place. So minus 196 degrees Celsius, and I can put it in my mouth, right? And I can also stick my finger in it, as I showed before. And my question to you is, why? David.
Your body vaporizes some of the liquid nitrogen around your finger.
It vaporizes the liquid nitrogen around my finger. Here's the liquid nitrogen. And right here are bubbles. So does my finger ever touch the liquid? No. Not if I'm careful. If I leave it in there too long, what'll happen?
It'll cool down. Your finger will cool down.
My finger will cool down, and when my finger's cold, is it hot?
No.
And when it's not hot, will it boil the liquid?
No.
Then will it touch my finger?
Yeah.
Then what will I say? If I roll this across the water, I get comets. So notice before it gets to the water, it doesn't make a lot of vapor, and when it hits the water, it does. Wait, who turned it off?
It got cool.
That's cold. It got cold and? What made it happen? Why did it come out? When I stick a straw in water, what happens to the water? It comes up to the level of the liquid, right? Same thing here. I stick it in liquid nitrogen, it fills up to here. But what's different here is this is hot. Yeah.
The gas is larger than the liquid, so it has to come out.
Yeah, and the important first sentence in that is that it starts to boil here. Because this is hot and it makes the liquid nitrogen boil, the gas bubbles expand. If there's any liquid above the bubble, it pushes it up. This is a copper tube. Pretty exciting, huh? This is a rubber ball. And if I drop this ball, what'll it do?
Bounce.
If I drop it through the tube, it will? No surprises, right?
It'll jump out when it's in the
Nothing up my sleeve. If I take a piece of metal and drop it through the tube, and I'm really fast, I should be able to drop it through the tube and catch it on the bottom, right? Man, that was hard. If I put a magnet through this circle, it makes a current, right? Those currents make magnetic fields, right? And then this thing's got to swim through all that stuff. That's sort of the simple explanation. Real explanation is, I don't know how it works. It's magic. These are two simple liquids. One's a little bit colored, and full of glass shards. The other one is a clear liquid. If I stick them together, turn off the lights. E.T., phone home.
You gotta have crack for the keep crackle, jingle bells, buckle, jingle bells, crackle, makes the world go